what up? It's the kid Coulgie. I want to welcome you guys to First Friday at Club PKliz Restaurant and Lounge, okay? It's right here in Boca Raton / Delray, right on the border, right across the street from the Honda. Each first Friday, okay, of a month, we have you here. Whatever artist you want to see, you want to hear, let us know on Facebook. We'll make sure it happens. We promised you that we were gonna have Alan Cave, and guess what? We have Alan Cave. You don't believe me? Where is that one selector? So you already know it's a zouk dinner. So when I finish by attire by one soulier bagay, on number tout là, c'est pour ta l'autre toile ou petit jeans on one le tennis ça nous besoin. So nous avons chaque premier vendredi no mois, ok? C'est Keed, Coulgie, PKliz Lounge, you already know how we do it. Alan Cave était là, Will était là, elle est toujours là.
Vas-y,